Yeah, Randy here, but before I'm gonna smash this camcorder, like I told you, I will still works. See, as you can see, you will see in this screen, it still works, but it still stays on the screen. Do you know how I get it work? Do you know that? We'll see. Drop test. Once. Well, okay. I split back apart and snap the back in. That's it, really works. Yep, still works. Drug test number 1. The final task didn't count as destroyance. She'll get the job done. You will stay on this screen. Not yet. Forever. Well, they split apart, and I'm not sure if this thing works. Select that background with friends also, and plug it in. And when they hit the screen, the screen messed up. You see it? Oh my goodness, Mom's gonna kill me, but whatever. Let's try something more powerful, something metallic. How about this, my own tripod? My slot camera is discharged now, but I hit the screen, but will it work? More messed up? I think it was. But look at this, it's still on. I wonder if I have a bigger material. What? The acid is loose. And so does the landscape. Check the inside. Oh, very beautiful. And it's not in. And take out the paint. Let's see if I can break the lens. Okay, fine, how about trying on the bed? What? The bed works, but not on the chair. Now onto the main camera. I really need to clean this bed. And there's no sound, but the light's still shining. So I guess it's half dead. Moving on. Screenshots. And for the supercalifragilistic expialidocious part, I smash this unit with a broom. Actually, it's not a broom. That's how you smash a camcorder. Don't impersonate me, smash on that.